WAN forwarding is one of the 3 ways we can configure your organization with ScoutDNS. With WAN forwarding, admins can set their entire network to ScoutDNS at the WAN level. This is generally the quickest way to start protecting your users and devices located on-premise. WANs are managed under the Sites tab. Sites are your physical locations. Select the Sites tab and then choose New Site. Name the site using your preferred location naming convention and press Save. Next, find and select the site you just made. You will now see the site dashboard for the location you just created. You will need to register any and all WAN IP addresses that might send traffic to your resolvers. ScoutDNS is a private network and only responds to registered IPs. To register a network, select New WAN from the WAN sub-tab. Give the WAN a unique name. We suggest combining the site name with the name of the connection provider. Next, you will enter the WAN IP address of the location. If you are using a dynamic IP address from your service provider, you can input the dynamic DNS name, and ScoutDNS will monitor this domain for WAN IP changes. You can choose a block page or leave it set to default. Next, you will need to select the base policy, which is the rule set that any users on this network falls back to if no other policy rules apply, such as through LANs or roaming clients. To finalize the settings, hit Save. ScoutDNS is now listening for queries from this IP. Your final step is to set your forwarders to our global anycast, which can be found in the UI under the Help icon. This will usually be set at your gateway or firewall. If your location has an Active Directory domain, you can configure our anycast as forwarders in the Windows DNS Server settings. Be sure to add additional WAN interfaces as each site requires, for example in case of a fail-back connection. If you have any additional questions or require assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help.